guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new Hyundai Venue BS6 vehicle, very refined, and this is in diesel variant now. So coming to the first, so these are the keys of the vehicle. No change of design, completely older generation of keys. It look like no fresher design on the keys. So first is first. So this is a 1.5 liter CRD turbocharged diesel engine. So CRD 16 watts written there, and battery placement is here. Very completely packed with the engine and very tasty sorry for that, and no installation on offer at this price segment. We are expecting many of this Venue. So this is all new engine, turbocharged 1.6 liter I have said already. So this is a front grille and it's in the chrome line finish. See the plus lines, it look like copied from the Tata badge and Hyundai badge at the center, very large. Number plate placement is very nice. And coming to headlights, so these are the headlights, and see the size of the projector setup on the headlights, and cornering lights on offer, and full size rolling out the DRLs on the headlights, very nice. And fog lamps are in projected setup, very lower side and very small side, we can't see at night. And these are the plus signs again on the bumper lower side, and silver treatment on bumper, very nice done. So these are the indicators given on the top, and almost all the Hyundai cars are changed now, and the same design is continually rolling to all the Hyundai cars. So coming to the side, these are the tire profiles and dual tone chrome treatment on alloy wheels, very nice done. And this size is massive enough, Hyundai badge at the center. These are tubeless tires, and the profile of the tire is 215 16 inches size. These are 16 inches, massive enough of 16 inches of this vehicle. And see the size of the body level and the tire level, very huge and very humble. So this is a tire, and this is a side profile, experienced Hyundai written there. It's a test drive vehicle. And this is the side view mirror and LEDs of indicator on side view mirror, nice. And these are the chrome door handles with the keyless entry button. Here you can see door handles are large enough, and there you can see the roof race on top. This is a new look of roof race of all the Hyundai vehicles we can see. So windows are large enough, but rear window is some square shape and bold size. So coming to rear, you can plastic treatment completely rolling towards the car, and C-pillar design is also very nice. And the Creta and Venue are the, I think, most of the same design, and nothing much changes of that. And here you can see the window size. So there you can see the shark fin antenna, and top you can see with the sunroof, not a panoramic. So this is the window at the rear, and this is a rear profile, and Hyundai badge center Venue written there. SX top end variant, so wiper as there, and spoiler is nothing much difference. And there you can see the LEDs of tail light, all new LEDs, and 3 lines of LED tail lights and indicators. Here you can see, there you can see the reflector with a reverse light halogen. Same treatment from the front as taken, bumper treatment, silver treatment at the lower side. Number plate placement is here, 4 sensors are given there, and camera setup is given here. So this is the rear profile. And coming to the boot, keyless entry of boot. This is a boot size, 350 liters of boot size. So there is light here, so here you can see that there is light. And under the boot, so this is a spare wheel, disappointing of all the Hyundai cars still in this 2021 generation. No alloy wheels on offer as we expected, 195 65 60 15 inches. These are 1 inch reduced from all the wheels. So it's a cross cutting on alloy wheels. Jack has placed in the alloy wheel only. So 60/40 splitter seats on offer. If you fold the seats, you can get the more boot space on offer, and all the three seat belts are there. Nice installation on boot. So here you can see the fuel lid is given here, and this is a side profile, experienced written of Hyundai. Very noisy engine sound, very refined but all new engine, but also very sound of engine on this Hyundai. So 1 liter water bottles on the rear door handles. Holder is very nice, leather finish of holder, and here you can see the power window. These are the silver treatment of door handles, and there you can see the speaker on offer, and new look of this design of a rear door. And coming to here, 3 people can easily sit and travel for long journeys, and the seat level is very nice, and the Profile of the seat is very nice. The design of the seat is very nice. Let's get into the rear. So this is a rear seat, scooped out seats with magazine holders. Under the support is massive enough. So knee room is also massive enough. Headroom is also massive enough for tall, about the 6 feet. Here you can see the holder with a hook, and this is the doors at the rear. And coming to here, so there are only two headrest, adjustable headrest with a center armrest with twin cup holders on offer. Completely black treatment of seats, leather seats, and 3 seat belts are fixed to the seats only. Very nice. There you can see the space on offer. See, headrests are very nice done of design, and seats are very comfortable, and fabric finish at the center and leather treatment. The quality of leather treatment on these seats are very nice, very nice. Impressed a lot. And see the quality, how smooth it has in leather treatment, and the design of the way the design has done of the seats at the rear also very nice. Isofix shell seats. So coming to here, rear AC vents. The design is very nice, silver finish of round at the AC vents, and control of AC vents button is given here. Here you can see the 12-volt charging socket. So bottom is some flat when you return on the center of the bottom, so 3 people can easily sit. The comfort level at the rear is very nice. So here you can see the front dashboard from the rear. This is the profile of the dashboard. So let's go to front and see what all the features are there. So this is the front door. Here you can see the power windows, and there is side view mirror adjustable button. Same door, silver treatment of door handles. It should be in chrome treatment, more attractive design. And there you can see the tweeters on front doors only. Speakers are given there. 1 liter water bottle easily it will be fixed, and leather finish of holder. So no adjustable of electric seats on this car or top end variant. Fuel lid open switch is given here. 3 pedals are given, nice fixed, and dead pedal is there. This is the engine lid open button. So let's sit inside and see. So this is a dashboard, very darker side, and with these only windows are getting a airy interior feeling, but because of the dark black finish of interior, very not at all airy feeling inside the cabin. So let's on the vehicle now. So these are the keys I have said already. So now engine is on and key I have placed here. So this is a dashboard design, and this is a 18-inch touchscreen. Okay, I will say after for that. So this is the armrest at the center, and with space you can see in detail, large enough. And these are the twin cup holders, and here you can see the perfume of Hyundai vehicles, all new Hyundai vehicles. Now it has been not there, for sorry for that. And this is a handbrake, and key placement is given here. So this is a gear lever, 6-speed manual transmission. You get 3 engines on offer, I will say that in the while driving. So this is a silver treatment of round finish near the gearbox, so near gear lever. And this is the space you can see. Charging port at the USB cable is given, USB port is given, 12-volt charging socket is given on offer. So this is the auto climate control of AC vents, digital meter, round sporty feeling on offer. So these are the controls for the fan, these are control for the temperature. Auto button is given here. So some 2 buttons are given, rear and front given here. Hazard light switch is button given here. Small piano black finish treatment. So these are buttons for audio system, infotainment system. This is a 8-inch touchscreen. So matte finish of touchscreen, very nice done. So DRVM written here at the rear sensors, and blue link is given here on all the new cars, i20, Venue, Creta. So favorites, contacts, phone, Apple CarPlay and Android connectivity, and app connectivity of Hyundai radio as given here. So map, settings, navigation, and there are the features in the i20 are not there in this car. Disappointing again. Navigation, device connectivity, advanced, normal settings, general settings of all this phone connectivity in this display. So map is given, blue link is given, driving information. So here you can see the driver information system is given here only. Speed distribution, acceleration, deceleration is given, nothing much of that. So it's a normal basic infotainment system, we can say. 18-inch touchscreen, but matte finish of touchscreen, smooth finish of touchscreen, we can say. And AC vents are fixed in this touchscreen only. See the finish of the AC vents at the front, silver finish, complete all over silver treatment, no chrome treatment on interior we can get. And this is the touchscreen, and there you can see the dashboard is clean and neat design, not at all hangama and nothing drama much. So this is the steering of Hyundai Venue, the grab finish of round of Hyundai steering. So Hyundai badge at the center. So these are the controls for the infotainment system and call, attend and decline, and these are the controls for the cruise control and instrument cluster. So coming to the instrument cluster, this is the instrument cluster, sporty feeling, nothing much. And left side has RPM meter, right side has a speedometer. Center has a small digital meter with a lot of information. Driver information, speedometer, fuel economy, average, accumulated information, nothing much. And that's information in the center digital meter. And there you can see the lot of buttons and indications on offer at the instrument cluster. So decent and sporty feeling. Silver treatment also on the instrument cluster, very nice done. And on other side here you can see the AC vents at the right side. And these levers is for lights and indicators, and this lever is for obviously wipers. Wipers are very good on spray on offer. So with this silver treatment of sporty feeling get on the steering. So coming to this, here you can see the start stop button is given on the right side, easy to operate. So these are the traction control and brightness of the instrument cluster, and lever for all the lights of high beam, headlight. So here you can see the auto dimming inside the vehicle, and this is a tuning hook at the rear button is given here on offer. Blue link button is given here, SOS given here. So it's auto dimming inside the vehicle, and lot of information on this in mirror, very nice done. So here you can see the space and glove box. So decent enough of glove box for keeping the documentation of car. And airbag 1 is given there, on other on the steering, and total 6 airbags are offer. Mirror with a no light on, and there you can see the mic on offer. So on the other driver position there is no mirror, no light on offer, only 2 receipts holder. So coming to here on offer, you get a sunroof, not a panoramic. So it's manual adjustable of this sunroof. So it's a small sunroof but massive enough of this car, and let's operate the sunroof. So this is the size of a sunroof. Creta and Venue has the same sunroof. There is no panoramic on offer because it's not a XUV vehicle on offer at this price segment. So this is sunroof closed now. So but because of the sunroof, some airy feeling inside the cabin, and completely black interior, nothing much difference. No color treatment on offer, dual tone color treatment, only black. We get only single option on this interior. So overall this is a walk around and interior video of Hyundai Venue. Here you can see the rear seats from the front, and this is a dashboard at the front. So nothing much difference at this price segment. I have disappointed very much because i20 is getting a more and more features and offer and more cool features new. So better, i20 is better than this, and there is no that much features as we expected on from the Hyundai at this price segment. But the vehicle is very nice on performance. This is a diesel variant, and this is a walk around and interior video. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you till not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, and I will do a test drive on this vehicle. I will upload soon. Please wait for that. So see you guys. Bye bye.